Hello everyone, this is Amanda coming to you with a quick video. Today is March 20th and it is the afternoon and I've been working online for most of the day, and I wanted to just shoot this video because I have a lot of questions about how to earn $1,000 a week or more, which I've been actually able to do online utilizing traffic methods that work. And what I'm doing is showing other people exactly how to do the same thing. If you're not a friend with me on Facebook, if you put in Amanda Ray, this is my page and you'll be able to connect with me. But the reason why I'm doing this video is because I want to let people know what's possible and where I started and where I'm at now, and that it is simple to earn online when you know exactly what to do. And coming online in 2015 and not knowing what I was doing, but I knew I needed to do something differently. I have 2 children and I wanted to earn a full-time income from home. So there's a couple of things that I was able to do strategically every single day for like 90 days straight, not including Fridays and Saturdays, but pretty much 90 days straight, that was able to help me leverage the opportunity that I'm in and earn consistently online. For those that don't know, I've been utilizing one program called the Power Lead System, and it's generated me a ton of incomes on a ton of commissions on a consistent basis, utilizing this program by running cold traffic, and I'm showing others how to do it. Looking at my account, I have diamond members, fast start bonuses, and gold members. Gold members are paid out $20 per person every single month that come into your downline. Diamond members are $100 commissions, and fast start bonuses are $400 commissions. And the reason why I'm able to do this is because I know exactly what to do in order to consistently generate a full-time income. And it's pretty passive. I'm running cold traffic. People say, well, do I have to do videos? I don't do a lot of these videos, okay? And the videos don't bring in the bulk of my commissions. It's just basically cold traffic. Cold traffic means that a person is literally opting into my capture page, which looks like this. And from my capture page, they're going through my sales funnel. And then when they go through my sales funnel, they're able to get information about the product, what I'm offering, and if they want to get involved, they can do so. So I came in at the highest level, which is $497, the mid-level, which is $147, and the lowest level, which is $53 a month. That means that I'm all in, which means I get to earn on all levels. And just to show you what's possible, at the fast start bonus, just paying the one-time fee of $497, I'm able to bring in commissions like this, which happens multiple times throughout the month. And it adds up quickly. Even if you're getting 2 a week, that's $800 a week. And it's really simple to do that. And what I do is I show people how to get fast start bonuses like this. If you see I'm going back as far as December, I've had $200, $400, $200, and $400 bonuses just about every single week, sometimes twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week. And this is extremely possible and doable. I'm also, these $12.50 bonuses is from the efforts of my team. When my team get fast start bonuses, I get a percentage of that. These $50 fast start commissions is when my team gets fast start bonuses, I get a percentage of that. So that just goes to show you that it's not just me collecting these fast start bonuses. People on my team are duplicating my results by going through my training and using the exact same strategies that I use on a daily basis to build these commissions. So what I do here is I send out cold traffic. People get into my funnel, they upgrade, and then when they promote and do the same thing, they're also getting fast start bonuses that's earning them $400, and then I'm earning either $12.50 or I'm earning $50 from the efforts of my team, okay? And that's extremely important. When you see these $50, these $50 bonuses, this is what my team is able to do. So that goes to show you that I'm not the only one that's getting these results. Even at the diamond level, you can do the same thing, and I'm going to just show you. Pay a one-time fee of $147. It's going to give you unlimited $100 commissions, and I'm earning them consistently every single week, so multiple times a week. And not only am I earning these commissions, the members on my team are earning these commissions, which is allowing me to generate an income from them. You know, it's really possible when you know what you're doing, you have a team that backs you up, you have a business opportunity that works. This business opportunity, the Power Lead system, has been around for years, paying out every single Wednesday faithfully, as you know, since I've gotten started. And I've been in the business since September of 2017. My sponsor has been in this opportunity for 4 years, earning a full-time income. Okay, we get you set up. We show you exactly how to get all of these buttons green, or as many as you can, set up your funnel, which should take only about 30 minutes. If you don't want to do that, you can get the funnel set up for you by paying $50. It's that simple. I have $1,900 currently in my balance that I can move and have direct deposit into my account, and I'll be getting paid again tomorrow, and this is going to actually go up. So I just want to know, I want to let people know what's possible when you believe in a system, you have a system that works, and you are consistently driving traffic to that system. This is what is doable. So if you're looking for a full-time income, you want to learn how to generate traffic, I advise you to get started, get into our Freedom Takers Facebook group and get plugged in. If you have any questions for me or need any questions answered, you can email me, you can send me a message on Facebook, and you can give me a call or send me a message through my phone, and I'll be more than happy to help you and guide you through the process to get started. Guys, if I can do this, anybody can do this. This is not something that takes marketing, college degree, marketing skills. You learn as you earn, and you just keep going and scaling up the business. So I want to say thank you for watching this video. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and I'll be back with you again tomorrow. So thanks a lot and have a great day.